Lost Maples, located in the Texas Hill Country, known for its fall colors, abundant wildflowers, steep canyon walls, crystal clear water, a monkey rock, and scenic views. Welcome to Mr. S Travel Quest. Today we're visiting Lost Maples State Park. Come along. We will go over entrance fee of the park, check out a park event, point of interest, and check out the campsites. Lost Maples entrance fee is $6 per person, 13 years or older. The park store has plenty of souvenirs and information about the park. At Lost Maples, there's no cell phone reception, so plan ahead. You're going to want to reserve your day pass online. The fall months fill up quickly. We checked out a park event and learned all about the Buffalo Soldiers. This family-friendly program brings history to life with stories, costumes, and tools used. I had the opportunity to talk with Alan Mack, and he shared his knowledge and passion of the Buffalo Soldiers with me. Here's some pictures we took, and you can find more on our Instagram page. We're ready to hit the trails. We wanted to revisit the East Trail, which is a 4.6 mile loop. This trail was active during a weekend visit in October. On this trail, you will discover big tooth maples along the spring-fed Sabinal River. The trail is considered challenging and the park looked a little different with wildflowers blooming and the stream being dry. Here's a look back of the same trail in February. I'll link that video in the description if you wanted to check it out. The leaves were still green on our visit and the park employees gave us a tip. The best time to visit is during the first freeze. This trail is great for families and dogs. The trail has plenty of shade and is clearly marked. The trail is mostly large river rocks, so you definitely want to invest in some hiking boots. The first half of the hike was active with good reason. This trail has multiple points of interest. We are going to see one now and it's called
Monkey!
Looks like a monkey, alright.
Monkey Rock, and you just heard it here. You have no trouble finding the unique limestone outcrop fondly named Monkey Rock. This area is pretty popular and a nice spot to rest since it's shaded. This is a nice area of the park with a peaceful setting, and we're off to the next point of interest. Here we are at the Grotto. If you listen carefully, you can hear the water dripping that supports the plant life here. This is a nice area to rest up before heading up to the challenging part of this trail. Heading up to the Scenic Overlook is challenging. To see the best views of the park, you're going to have to earn it. This trail starts off with some stairs, but will transition upward on the rocky slopes. There are a couple steep areas, so be prepared with plenty of water and good hiking shoes. We decided to skip out on Point of Interest 3. Last time we visited, the views were blocked by trees and bushes. If you want to see how it looks, I will post my other videos in the link below. Get a bird's eye view of the east and west trails. You can listen to the ravens call as they fly over you. You can't beat the views at this overlook as you stand over this 2,200 foot cliff. This part of the trail is pretty flat. Once you enjoy the views, get ready to descend down. Going down is about 0.35 and will lead you to the day use area. This part of the park is currently closed for restoration, but you can still enjoy a nice picnic in the area. The water is very clear and you can fish on the other side. The East-West Trail is a nice trail with plenty of shade. You get to see some beautiful trees and cross some small streams. Just under a mile to get back to the parking lot. You can stop or you can continue to the West Trail to lengthen your hike. Yes, we did it. Now back to the main parking lot to check out the campsites. Alright, let's check out some of the campsites. Campsites with electricity is $20 per night with over 28 sites available. Restrooms with showers are nearby this area. These sites are 30 amp hookups. Primitive campsites, hike-in is $10 per night with over 50 sites available. These are hike-to sites and are not assigned. So what do you think about Lost Maples? Have you visited this park before? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. This is one of my favorite parks and we already made plans on revisiting this park in November. Alright, like always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.